Hey guys, on today's video, I'm taking a look at some awesome free games, so let's get started. Go right into your PlayStation Plus. From here, just scroll down once, then go to the right again, and then you guys are going to see benefits. From benefits, look into monthly games, and right here are the free games that you guys get every single month. So right now, just view games, and we're going to see them all. So these are it. So what does this mean? Well, this means we have to add this to our library right now. If you don't, then you're not gonna get them later on for free. However, can you download them, let's say 6 months from now? Yep, as long as you guys added it to your library, you should be okay. So let's just get started with doing that. So we're gonna go right into this one. We're gonna add it to our library. Never add it to your cart. Never click on the price. Always do this, add it to your library. Then you guys can download it right now or later on. This one's only 4 gigs. Now let's go back. Now our second one's right here. Now remember, these are full games. They're not demos, they're not trials. This one's also 31 gigs, so it's a lot bigger than the other one. Let's go back. Let's take a look at this guy. Now this guy, again, don't click on the price. Click on add to library. Once you add it to your library, download it. This one's 137 gigs, way bigger. So that said, remember to download it anytime you guys want, as long as you guys download it right now to your library. So just add it to your library. You can download it later on. Now let's say you guys missed on this month, October, and you guys are looking at this video in December, for example. Well, it's too late. But the good thing, right now you guys should check what free games you have available at the moment. Now this is Essentials, the package that I have. And it's something that I need to play, for example, GTA. So the free games and packs that we get for free, those are just more benefits that we get, which by the way, the packs are right here. But anyways, as far as this video goes, we're all done. If you guys have any comments, questions, you guys can write down in the comments area. Don't forget to subscribe and like. Thank you.